how to use video stabilization on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. If your recorded video is shaky or not stable enough and you just want to record stable videos on Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's the complete guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to enable and use the video stabilization on Samsung Galaxy phone, simply going to open up the camera application from your Samsung phone, and from the camera simply go ahead and swipe to the video section. Now once you are in the video section, at the top he'll get to see the hand icon, so you can actually tap on this in order to enable the super steady mode. He'll get to see the super steady mode is enabled, or you can enable or disable this feature by tapping right here. And also if you want to turn on the video stabilization, you can go to the settings at the top left, and once you're inside camera settings, you'll get to see the video stabilization. You can enable this, and this will give you the super smooth video recording experience. And this is how you actually can enable and use the video stabilization on Samsung Galaxy camera. I hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.